Hello, this video is to help out with assignments in Schoology and to see what kinds of things we need to make sure we're doing every day. So when we log in to Schoology, we will either get in through the Clever portal or we will get in through getting under the Schoology tab. Once we've done that, you will see the recent activity page show up with all kinds of cool updates from your teachers. And you can click on pretty much any one of those updates. All of your teachers are happy to provide you with cool updates as the day and year go through. We are going to click on courses to access our courses. Let's go ahead and start with first period. Once I click into first period, I can see a couple of different things. One thing I can see on the left are my grades, different course materials, updates, which will take you to the updates specifically for that class. As you can see, these are ones specifically for Mr. Sawchuk's class. Then I can also see on the right-hand side that I have different assignments that are coming up due. Homework or bell work is due every Friday by the end of the day on Friday. If you are an A-day student, you are expected to have that completed by Thursday. Let's go ahead and click on bell work and see what that looks like. Okay, so I've clicked on bell work and I see that there are 3 different bell work assignments. Each day that there's a bell work assignment, a new bell work assignment will be posted. So on Monday, 9/28/29, only this showed up. So what you would do is you would right click, copy, and then you would click on the submit assignment box that opens up. Once that opens, you'll see that there are 3 tabs. The first tab is upload, the second tab is create, the third tab is resources. For bell work, we will typically click on create. You can then click on that comment box or the submission box rather, and paste in the question that was asked. Bloop. Once that's pasted in, you can answer the question. A lot of students like to answer it right after the question mark. Some students like to answer it way after the question mark, after the rest of the message. That depends on you. So I would just respond with what it means for something to be durable. It's tough, it's hard as steel, doesn't get broken easily. Simple, right? That's only a 1-point question. So that one's not worth too much. After that, I'm going to click Save Draft. Once I click Save Draft, it'll be over here on the right-hand side as a draft for a submission, and every time I click in, I'm editing it. Okay, so now the next day of school happens. I'm going to log in, highlight, copy, and open up my edit draft, and I'm going to paste that right in there. And paste. Cool. I will answer that question. Then I will hit Save Draft again. Now the third day of class shows up. I'm going to highlight the expected bell work for that day. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to click Edit Draft again. And I am going to enter my information there, paste it in, and enter my answer right there. Remember, if someone says that they're expecting a 2-sentence answer, you had better give a 2-sentence answer. Otherwise, you cannot get the full credit. Now that this is the third and final day, I'm going to click Submit. And that will submit my bell work assignment for grading. And I will be able to check on that once it is graded in the grades section and it will also show up here in the submission section right underneath grade. Okay, so that is how you submit bell work for my class. If you're missing any bell work from previous days, you can always click in to the bell work and answer the question and hit submit on that discussion board. That's fine too. And that's how you do bell work for my class.